God damn it. Oh, not this gang house again.
Oh, fuck. Seriously?
Why would you take that? Alright, we're leaving. We're getting out. We leaving.
Yeah.
Bye, y'all.
Dinah, wait, did you get your salary?
And y'all
Dinah,
have back taken off.
did you get your salary? Pick me up. I need someone to pick me up. No thanks for baby.
Get him, Lisa.
I need someone to pick me up.
They doing too much over there.
Yeah, that was crazy. I'll be honest, I wasn't even paying attention until I got tased.
Like, what the fuck? This is not the first time this happened to me. Damn, I'm getting so many calls from over there. Why would the Saints go over there? Like, seriously. Damn, so what we supposed to do? Don't go over there, right, Alexi? Hell no, they gonna shoot us.
I'll be honest, I thought y'all died. Because I looked and y'all weren't in the car. I was like, what the hell?
Oh, yeah, I'm staying
I was
over
about
here.
to say, what did I do?
They're doing too much over there.
But
I think our best bet is to just wait for
maybe go to a different
go to a different yeah.
area. Yeah, my bad. My mic cut out.
Alright. Let me see. Where should I go?
Yeah, people usually beefing at the job sites in Harbor.
Okay, let me see if I can. Wait, hold on.